I guess at 6, I'm Brett Bagansky, and many of you may have received an emergency alert on your phone today warning you to stay inside with the doors secured. So this alert came from a situation in Deerfield Township. That's where we found WCPO 9 News reporter Alex Knoll, who is live there right now. So Alex, you found out this situation scared quite a few people.
Yeah, Brett, this started when deputies with the Warren County Sheriff's Office served a warrant on this street here, Spring Mill Way. Sheriff Barry Riley says that warrant was for a man charged with an assault that happened last night at UC Westchester. It led to an hours-long standoff between police and 32-year-old Denzel Pouncey. Riley says they were eventually able to get Pouncey and 3 others out of the home safely. Riley confirmed to me that no deputies were shot at or injured. And many of you, like you said, Brett, may have received this alert on your phone this afternoon. It reads, "Emergency alert, secure doors and windows." We learned that this alert was sent out not only to Warren County residents, but to some people in surrounding counties of Hamilton, Butler, Clinton, Claremont, and Greene counties. The Warren County EMA said that was a technical issue that they're working out with the state.
And my wife got a notification on her phone, and it just basically said, remain inside, keep your doors and windows locked. So we were kind of like freaking out because that's kind of vague. So we looked online and it said there was a standoff in one of the neighborhoods. So I came to check out because what's going on.
Sheriff Riley did clarify that this was an isolated incident. He said the EMA error was a system error and not a human error. Now, we spoke to a few people living here in the area. They say that this kind of stuff never happens here, that it's a very safe neighborhood. They also said that while it was, of course, a terrifying situation, they're just happy that no one was hurt. We're live in Deerfield Township. I'm Alex Knoll, WCPO 9 News.